Hello guys, welcome to my channel The Law Cognition. Today in this video we'll be dealing with rights and benefits and duties of a person while he's there at the petrol pump. Yes, you heard it right. There are certain rights that have been provided to an individual while he's there at the petrol pump. So before starting, let me just clarify it to you. Since this video was being a bit longer, I had divided this video into two parts. The first part would be containing rights and duties of the person at the petrol pump, and the second portion would be dealing with the benefits that are being provided to a person at the petrol pump. So without wasting time, let's get started. The rights, if we start up, I'll be dealing up with 5 rights that have been provided to a person while he's there at the petrol pump. So quickly start it. The first right is right to check the quality of petrol and diesel. Everyone has the right to check the quality of petrol and diesel at the petrol pump. You are entitled to know if you are getting the right quality of fuel for the money that you are paying or not. If you are not allowed to check the quality of the petrol at the petrol pump, then you are free to file a complaint in the register. The other right, if we see, is right to conduct a filter paper test. There might be a situation where you feel that the quality of petrol is not good. Then in that situation, you have the right to conduct a filter paper test. In this test, basically what you need to do is you need to put a few drops of petrol on a filter paper, and this filter paper would be provided to you in the petrol pump itself. You do not need to carry this. And if the petrol evaporates without leaving any stains, then that would be considered to be a pure petrol. But if some stains appear on the paper, then the petrol is adulterated one. This is one of the tests which you could do to analyze whether that petrol is pure or adulterated one. The other right which an individual has is right to check the quantity of petrol and diesel. According to rules, if we see, each petrol pump must have a 5-liter measuring jug to check the quantity of petrol or diesel. This jug has to be certified by the Weights and Measures Department and will be checked every year. There might be a situation where there are certain differences in the milliliters or quantity while it's being checked. So a difference of 25 milliliter is acceptable. But if the difference is of more than 25 milliliter, then you can file a complaint against the petrol pump. The other right which you have is right to check the density of petrol, diesel and other fuels. You have the right to check the density of the fuel. Each petrol pump will have a 500 milliliter cylinder to check the density, which is filled with about 3/4 the height with the help of a nozzle. So through that you could check the density of the petrol and diesel or any other fuels that you are trying to take up. The last right, if we see, is right to ask for the bill. It's your right to ask for bills of the fuel you have purchased, okay? You have the right to ask for the bill. And now what all would be contained in that particular bill? The bill contains informations like the amount and the taxes you have paid. If in case the petrol pump fails to provide you with the bill, you could file a complaint against him. So now since we have dealt with certain rights, I hope you are not aware of this and you would definitely utilize these rights from now onwards and try not to be defrauded from any these kinds of measures. Now we'll be dealing with certain duties. Now since there are certain rights that have been provided, there are obviously certain duties that are imposed on the citizens at the petrol pump. So we'll be dealing with the 5 duties today. The first one is do not smoke when you are in the petrol pump premises. The second duty is turn off the engine of your vehicle when petrol or diesel is being filled to avoid a fire. The third duty is do not use your cell phone when the vehicle is being refueled. The next one is never accept petrol or diesel in a plastic or glass bottle as it is dangerous and can ignite a fire. The last duty is turn off your vehicle when fuel is being filled. Since in this video I have dealt with rights and duties of the person at the petrol pump, in the next video I'll be covering the benefits of the person at the petrol pump. I hope I had made my point clear and had got something new for you that you were unaware of. So please like my channel and subscribe it. Bye bye. Thank you.